Æbleskiver is a traditional Danish Christmas treat enjoyed throughout December. In Denmark, you can buy frozen ones in the grocery store, but the homemade ones are about 1,000,000 times better, served straight from the pan with powdered sugar and homemade strawberry jam. In this video, my mom will show you how to make æbleskiver using my late grandma's recipe.
I dag skal vi ind og lave æbleskiver efter min mors gamle opskrift, for i Danmark, der spiser vi æbleskiver inden jul.
Heat the buttermilk until lukewarm. Be careful not to overheat, as the buttermilk will curdle at higher temperatures. Crumble the yeast and add sugar, salt, and vanilla sugar. Mix with the lukewarm buttermilk until the yeast is dissolved. Separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Keep the egg whites for later. Add the egg yolks to the batter. Add flour. Whip the egg whites until they're foamy and fluffy. Gently fold in the egg whites. Cover the bowl. Let the batter rise for 1 hour at room temperature or slightly warmer. Transfer the batter to a pitcher. Don't stir the batter. Add lard to each of the wells in the pan. Turn on the heat and wait for the pan to heat up properly. Pour batter to the edge of each well. In Denmark, we use knitting needles to turn the æbleskiver and to check when they are ready. I guess you could also use a fork, but knitting needles are particularly good for the purpose. Turn the æbleskiver when they are golden brown and crispy on the outside. Add more lard to the wells. When no batter sticks to the knitting needle, when probing, the æbleskiver is ready. Serve with powdered sugar and strawberry jam.